Hey guys, this is Steven from the Happy Profits. Going to go over one chart that's still running right now. If you want to try to trade it, just look at previous key levels. I'm going to pull it up live. It just rebroke a 1533 area and made a good trade right just over this maneuver right here. And if you don't think that's a big maneuver, that's a dollar move in about 2 minutes or less. But we're going to go over the whole chart as it's moving so we can start seeing what you need to be seeing as a trader. So basically here, a good thing if you want to know what these are Fibonacci lines. I pre-draw those most of the time in a line when it has this maneuver. You'll see this orange. That just means this is a shorter run-up compared to the big run-up. You should have some reversal. And then you'll see the same thing here. You'll see go down, and start going down less. You start seeing how this fall. And this indicator is the same in the other direction. So this is the high reversal. This is the low reversal. Start taking the next stair step. And then right here this is where it had to choose who was in control right here. So I drew this was where shorts think it's over with and where shorts usually at. But then the volume really came in here where both sets of buyers have to buy. I also took this retrade right here and also this rebound up here because you start seeing the wicks and you start seeing some patterns that you're not used to seeing. So I'll draw a pattern or two here. You'll probably see that line already, but right here, ascending wedge. Buyers aren't going anywhere. Buying after a pullback. Really here, you would have had to really just chase this. This at least had a pullback and a shelf that proved itself. Right here, pullback, shelf, proved itself. And let's say it didn't prove itself. Well, your stop loss is going to be a lot easier. So I'm going to just paint this red real quick and show you where stop losses should be going for your entries. So let's say you enter this one. The stop loss should go right under the nearest low because then it would make lows like the shorts were thought it was going to happen. And then also this, buyers are holding it up, and so your stop loss would be right here after only you saw some red candles, which is a good true pullback. Here, that 1533, it's going right now. So right here, it's going over the middle right here. So here's your stable. It broke trend and now it's breaking trend again. So right here, you could have entered right here at the 1584. I do flat tops. You could have had that trade pretty easy right there because that is the shallow W. Let me show you what the shallow W is real quick. You have sell-off, more sell-off, less sell-off, and then push up. And the other biggest indicator you're going to see here is, let me get rid of this line, pointed out, it's just the wicks at the bottom is what you're really looking for. Hey, y'all have a great day. That's TURB today on Tuesday.